Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Give me kisses.
What are you doing?
You can get an anonymous online auto insurance quote with low payments, choice of due date, and check out our renter's insurance. Mr. King, what can you offer that your opponent can't? Oh, 10 nuggets for $1.49. Buck, $1.49. There's no debate. Get 10
Oh,
nuggets for
bless you.
$1.49. Only at Burger King.
Ah,
First,
ah, bless you.
but no, it's out there. Something's definitely out there. Whatever it is, it's big. At one point, I swear it was so close I could smell it. But then, poof, it was gone.
Right. It exists.
I love you. You're trying.